bad
I
they
just put a
did that
damper
now.
on my lead speed. Just douse the whole tire.
Wait, how are you going to do computer science?
What? Oh.
Mathematics.
Huh.
That's stupid.
That class is
Are y'all going to be able to control everything that we're watching? Like,
I do not know. Anywho,
He's watching
moving on to calculus. We had just gotten to this one. And it is something, it's just written in with different letters than we normally write it with.
Is it height?
Length.
Does it look like length?
Circle.
Oval.
Height.
No, it's,
Oval.
it would be a circle maybe if they were, the center was 0, 0. Then it could be a circle. It's a little
That's
bit more
okay.
straightforward.
Circle's origin can.
It can be. I was just saying, she said this was a circle.
I'm lost.
And I said it could be.
Height.
This is the Pythagorean theorem. It's just written with L's and H's.
Oh.
Instead of a squared, it's leg squared plus leg squared equals hypotenuse squared.
That's confusing. Yeah, it is confusing. We do the same leg twice. No, it says leg 1, leg 2.
Okay, so we take the derivative.
So it'd be 2L1.
2L1. That's Li. L1. Then what?
2L2.
No.
Oh.
Is it
Times.
DL1
I hate this.
dt plus
2L2.
2L2
DL2.
dl2 dt equals 2h times
DHAT.
dh dt.
What's that a thing?
What?
Why do we do it to that one?
We do it to all of them because it's with respect to time because we were talking about rates. Remember, like how fast something goes?
I don't like that. I remembered it.
Okay,
You can do it.
so the next one.
Surface of a circle. Cube. Sphere.
It is the surface area of a sphere. Very
I don't know why I
good.
said cube. I don't know why you said there was a 4. And then I saw there was pi, and I was like, hold on. Yeah, anytime there's a pi circle.
Circle, or in this case, sphere, yeah. So, taking the derivatives with respect to time, that's ds dt equal, am I going to have to use product rule?
No.
No. Yes. No.
Yes.
Why not, Ashley?
Because 4 and pi would be constant.
Yeah, 4 pi is a constant. Yes, so no, you don't have to. So it's 8 pi r, then what? dr dt.
I'm so proud of myself.
Yeah, you should be.
Oh, y'all would have had the wrong answer.
Okay.
I'm fine with that. Well, all y'all would have had the wrong answer. You would have like 8
Alright.
pi.
What's this one?
Perimeter.
Of what?
A square. A rectangle.
Rectangle.
Dang. Where is that a rectangle? Rectangle.
I love it. She's getting excited.
A
Rectangle!
rectangle is a
Rectangle!
square. I don't remember
But
what
a
square. It's not a rectangle. Which is odd.
Square is not necessary. No. No.
A
A square is a rectangle.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
A rectangle is not necessarily a square.
Yeah.
It's like,
That's what I
no.
said.
Think about it.
No, you didn't.
Here, this is a rectangle, but it's not a square. Right?
Yeah.
It's lit.
That's the way.
You can have the whole point of a rectangle is that all the sides, only 2 sides of like 2 equal sides, like 2 sets. That's the whole point of a rectangle.
Okay, so the perimeter, we're going to take the derivative of this with respect to time.
So it'd be like
2
dp over
L.
dt.
dp dt
Would be 2 dp dt
equals 2 d what?
DLD.
Thank you.
I don't know.
DLDT plus
TTW.
Very good.
Woo.
We did it.
Hey, the circle is the circumference of a circle.
Yep.
Woo woo.
I do that one.
I'm sad. I know that equation.
I like circles more than other shapes. Can you tell?
I mean,
They were
yeah.
easier to remember.
So derivatives with respect to time.
DC over DC.
dc dt equals,
Pi times.
DD.
yep.
Stole that from you, actually.
Tough.
What?
We should sell that from you, Ashley.
I don't understand your speak.
I don't either.
No, like, she was saying the problem, and then Wendy took it over.
That's
Yeah.
okay.
So you said sell that?
No, she stole
Stole.
Oh, I thought you said sell. I'm like,
Yeah, she sold it.
it. Nobody ever come up with
I don't understand your new lingo.
It's not that hard.
This is the
After
area
half
of
of
a
it was
circle.
created by PewDiePie, it's kind of funny.
This is the area of a circle.
It is the area of a circle.
No.
That's a funky looking circle, but it's okay. So, derivative with respect to time.
DA
DADT.
to 2 pi or D or DT. I don't know. Really?
Yes.
You are correct.
Does anybody know what 2 pi r is?
The
2 circles.
I thought it was.
Yes, it's the circumference.
Yeah, because
If you take the derivative of the area, you get the circumference.
I say, because isn't 2
That
radius
is?
the-
No.
Was that a hint?
It was just an observation.
Okay.
Volume
Okay.
Volume
of a circle.
rectangular sphere.
Rectangular. One of them's right.
Yeah, it's got pi in it, though.
Sphere.
The one that's like a cylinder.
Close.
A
Cone.
Cone.
Yes,
Ah.
Brooklyn. Yeah, it's like a cylinder, only it's a third of it. So
I was
it's
like, there's a
cone.
height, but I don't know.
So on this one, are we going to have to use a product rule?
Yeah.
Yes. Because we have R and H. So dV dt equals 2/3 pi r dr dt times H
Oh, we're doing Potter's rule. Also,
plus
R squared. DHDT.
why did you say it like that?
what happened to the 1/3?
I didn't
It's
think
not
I
there
needed that
anymore.
anymore.
It's still there.
Well, I thought, because in my head we only used the product rule on R squared H.
You would take the derivative of, or you take the first, which is 1/3 pi r squared,
I don't know why she said it like that.
times the derivative of the second.
Why'd you go to the country?
I don't know.
Her real roots were showing.
Those
Really, that would be my fake roots. I'm from California. So.
Oh!
No, those would not be real roots.
All right, what about the next one?
Is this a cone?
The first one was a cone.
Oh, is
Volume
this a
of the
cylinder?
cylinder.
It is,
I was
yes.
wondering.
Sorry.
It's okay. I did hear you win.
You
Just
did
want you to know.
connect.
You said it first. I heard it.
Oh, no.
It's like I didn't care. All right. So that would be dVdt.
Why is it gotta be DVDT?
Because it's still volume.
Again.
It's volume.
It's confusing.
Yeah.
Well, as opposed to what? What would you think? it would be?
You're both cones and cylinders, LFC.
But it's volume.
It's just volume.
Okay.
I think the first one should be DVCO, and this one should be DVCY. So I can couldn't remember.
What's the volume of a cube?
VCD.
Okay, moving on. So, what would it
I
be?
don't know.
2 pi r drdt h plus pi r squared dh dt.
We did it.
I'm gonna give this paper to Mario. Be like, here you go. We're still gonna like this.
Okay, so what's this one?
Volume.
Oh, we don't.
And prism.
DVDT.
Is it
It's
prism?
something with a circle.
Prism. I think it's a prism.
I didn't think a prism had a circle.
Rectangular prism.
It definitely ain't that.
No, it's got a pi in it.
Well,
Yeah.
a prism. What's a prism
A
look like?
sphere.
Prism is like where it has a square on the
How
bottom.
about just the sphere?
We already did a
No.
sphere.
Yeah.
We already did a sphere.
Not
No,
the
that was
volume.
The surface area.
Okay. So dvdt. Daniel
So it's
gave me that.
4/3 of a cylinder.
You know, cylinder has h.
This doesn't have H.
Whoa.
4 pi r squared.
Thank you. 4 pi r squared. What is that?
DRDT.
A constant.
What is this?
Area.
Surface area of a sphere.
Yeah.
Oh.
Hold on. Where's that button? No,
Yeah.
oh, there.
drdt.
What button were you looking for?
I don't know.
That's it, right? Yep. All right. Now we're getting ready for some real stuff.
This isn't real.
You ready for some real?
This isn't real.
This is imaginary.
This was so imaginary.
Imaginary spheres.
I so love that.
What was the
Why do I
answer?
have to imagine the three I'm going to
What's the answer?
Okay, so this is the next page you have.
4 pi r squared.
Now this problem, Faith,
Yes.
is like the bell work.
No.
Mm-hmm.
No.
Oh, yes it is.
No
Hold on, I'm
way.
confused. What's the title of that number?
Found it.
So air is leaking out of an inflated balloon.
Mm-hmm.
So you got a balloon that's leaking out, but it's in the shape of a sphere, right?
Yeah.
So it's leaking out at a rate of 230 pi cubic centimeters per minute. So what is that a rate of?
Centimeters per minute.
That's the units. Yes.
230.
What 230 pi would be talking about what of that sphere?
The shape.
The
What?
surface
Not
area.
just the diameter, no.
Area.
Volume.
Volume.
Or-
We'll
Yeah, that's
guess
the
till we
difference
get it,
between
right?
we have-
Now remember, volume is how much. Put your phone down. Volume is how much is inside. How much it takes to fill something up.
So the amount of air.
Yeah.
230.
So as it's leaking out, that's the volume that's decreasing.
So 233.14.
Oh, I see. You got it wrong.
So this is dVdt.
I did it right then. Maybe I didn't get it.
That's the volume with respect to time. Now, how do I know it's a derivative?
Because
Because
of
of rate.
Rate.